Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add products with variants on Shopify. It's easier than you think. So, are you guys ready? Perfect. Oh, wait.
Yes, we're ready.
Alright, let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Products. Next, click on the Add Product button in the top right corner. In the title field, enter the name of your product. For this tutorial, I'll add USB power bank as the title since that's the product I'll be using as an example. Now, in the description field, you'll want to add a detailed description of your product. Let me quickly type one in. And there we go. As you can see, I've added a description. Moving on to the media section. This is where you can upload images, videos, or even 3D models of your product. For this example, I only have images, so I'll add those. To upload images, simply click on the Upload New button. If you've already uploaded images to your store, you can select them by clicking on the Select Existing link. Since I haven't uploaded any images yet, I'll go ahead and click Upload New to add them now. Once the upload is complete, you'll notice one large image on the left and smaller images on the right. That big image is called the main image of your product. This is the first image customers will see when they visit your product page. The other images will appear below the main image, depending on the design of your product page. In the category meta field, Shopify will automatically suggest categories based on the name you add for the product. If needed, you can change it to better suit your product. This field also helps Shopify calculate the taxes, so I'll leave it as is since it looks correct for this product. Alright, now let's talk about pricing. In the price field, enter the price you want your customers to pay for a single piece of this item. For this example, I'll set the price at $55. If you're running a promotion or a sale, you can use the Compare at Price field to display the sale price. Keep in mind that this price must be higher than the actual selling price to show the discount. For instance, if I want to put this item on sale, I'll set the Compare at Price to $65. Just below that, there's a field for cost per item. This is for internal use only. Here, you can enter how much you paid your supplier for a single piece. In my case, I got this item for $40, so let's add that in. And the best part? Shopify will automatically calculate the profit and margin for you based on these numbers. Now, let's move on to the inventory section. In the inventory location dropdown, select where this item is stocked. If you only have one location, it will be selected by default. However, if you have multiple store locations, you can choose the specific one from the dropdown. Next, if you want to keep track of your stock levels, check the Track Quantity option. Then, enter the available quantity. For example, I have 50 pieces in stock, so I'll add 50 here. If you're selling a physical product, I recommend leaving the Continue Selling when out of stock option unchecked. This way, customers won't be able to purchase the item if your stock runs out. Now, if you'd like to add a SKU or barcode for this product, make sure to tick the box. In my case, I'll add a SKU like USB-PB. Moving on to the shipping section, check the box that says, "This is a physical product." Under weight, enter the product's weight. This is important if your shipping rates are calculated based on weight. Shopify will automatically adjust the shipping price based on your store's configuration. For this example, I'll select G for grams and set the weight to 100 grams. Next up is the variants section. This is where you can add different variants of your product. For my product, it comes in different color options, so let's add a color variant. To get started, click on Add options like size or color. From the drop-down, select Create Custom option. In the option name field, type color since we're adding different color options for this product. Under option values, list the colors available for this product. For example, I'll add green, light green, and pink. Once you've entered all the options, click the Done button to save your variants. And that's it, we've successfully added color variants. If you want to add more variants, you can click Add another option to create up to 2 more variants. Keep in mind that Shopify allows a maximum of 3 options per product. Once you've added your variants, you'll see a list of them displayed. Here, you can attach images to each variant. Adding images to variants is super helpful because it lets customers see exactly what each color looks like on the product page. Plus, when a customer selects a specific color, the main featured image will update automatically. To attach an image to a variant, simply click on the image box next to the variant name. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the image for that variant. Let me quickly attach images to the remaining 2 variants. In the variant list, you can easily update the prices and quantities for each variant. If the Update Quantity option is disabled, make sure to select a shop location from the drop-down to enable this feature. As you can see, I now have the option to update the quantities for the variants. Let me quickly add some quantities for these variants. Next, we have the category meta field. This is where you can add extra data for your product, but we don't need to do anything here, so just leave it as is. In the product meta field, you'll see all the custom fields you've created using custom data. I've actually made a complete video on meta fields, so if you haven't seen that yet, definitely check it out. For those of you who have seen it, you'll remember that we created a short description meta field and integrated it into the product template. So, let's go ahead and add a short description for this product. Here we go, I've added a short description for this product. Now, if you want to optimize this product page for search engine optimization, SEO, you can add a meta title under the title field. In the meta description, you can add a description up to 160 characters, and you can also update the URL handle for this product. These fields will automatically be populated once we save the product, but it's always a good idea to optimize them if you want your product page to rank on Google and other search engines. Finally, scroll up and make sure to select Active under the Status section so your product is live on the store. Under the Publishing section, you'll see all the sales channels you've added to your store. By default, this product will be published to all the channels listed here. However, if you don't want this product to appear on any particular sales channel, click on the 3 dots and select Manage Sales Channels. From here, you can simply deselect the sales channels where you don't want the product to show up, then click Done to save your changes. Next, let's move to the Product Organization section. Here, you can add the product type. Since this is an electronic product, I'll type electronics. Under Vendor, you can add your store name. In my case, I'll add RS Digitals. For collections, you'll see a list of all the collections you've created on your store. If you're unsure how to create collections, check out the video I made on that topic. For this product, I'll select power banks. You can also add tags under the tags field, like USB, power bank, or anything else relevant to this product. In the Theme Templates section, you can choose a template for this product. This will depend on the theme you're using or if you've created a custom product page template, which will show up in the dropdown. Since I'm using the default template for all of my store products, I'll go ahead and select that. Finally, click the Save button to save the product. After saving your product, click on the Preview button to see how it looks. Here, you'll be able to view all the details of the product, including the name, short description, variants with images, and the full description under the Add to Cart button. And that's it. Using this method, you can easily add as many products as you want to your store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tutorials on the RS Digitals channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.